Good morning to all. Let us complete the exercise 3.5, that is the chapter name Square and Square Root. Exercise 3.5 from the book Innovative Math Books. See the exercise what is given. Calculate calculate the square root. Calculate the square root of the following numbers correct to two decimal places. So many numbers are there up to 18. Fraction also given, decimal given. Let me solve some question from the exercise 3.5. You have to calculate square root of 5 up to two decimal places. Okay, just see how to see the exercise 3.5. Number 1, you have to find out square root of 5 up to two places. This means 5.0000. You have to make the pair like this, 3 pair. After that you have to divide. 5 means 2 to the 4. This is one pair, 2 to the 4, 1 coming, and this point will come here. Next pair will come down, 100. 2 plus 2 are coming how much? 4. Put 2 here. 42 into 2 is coming 84. Now minus it. It is coming 16. 42 plus 2, 44. Next pair will come down, that is 1600. Next you have to put how much? You put 3. 3 3 are 9. 3 4 are 12. Then again 3 4 are 12 means 13. Now subtract how much coming? 10 minus 9, 1. This is 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. 271. Another pair will come down. Just to see. That means 4 4 3. Last 3 put 4 4 3 plus 3. That means 446. It is coming 27100. And here 3 digit number given. 6 4 are 24. Just you can check. 446. If I put here 6, that means 446. You have to put 6 here, then multiply into 6. How much coming? Just check here. It will come or not? If I multiply 6 with this number, this will be 26796. Now subtract 10 minus 6, 4. This is 9, 9 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 7, 3. It is coming 304 remainder. That means what is your square root? Therefore, square root of 5, it is coming 2. Just to see, 2.236. So up to 2 places decimal means this is approximately 2.24. This is the answer. Okay, let us go next. Next I am doing number 3. Number 3, you have to find out square root of 24, means 24.00. You have to make 3 pair. 24, 1 pair here. Just select the number. 6 is 36, 5 5 25, 4 4 16. 4 4 16. Remainder coming 24 minus 16, 8. The point will go there. Another pair 0, 0 will come. 4 plus 4, 8. Now select what number you have to put. If I put here 8, how much coming? 88 into 8, you check how much coming. Coming here 704. Now subtract 10 minus 4, that is 6. This is 9 minus 0, 96. Another pair will come down 0 0. 88 plus 8, that is 96. Next you have to check. This is coming 9600, here 96. How much you have to put? Just check. If I put here 9 here, that means 969. 9 put here into 9, it is coming 8721. Now subtract 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Here 5 left. 15 minus 7, that is 8. Another pair will come down. How much coming? Now 969 plus 9, that is coming 978. Now see how much you have to put here. Just see. You have to put here 8, because if I put 9, it is coming more than 87900. If you put here 8, here you have to put 8. Multiply 9788 into 8. How much coming? The result, see, it is coming 78304. Now subtract 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 0 9, 8 minus 3 5, again 17 minus 8 9, 9596. So what is the square root of 24? Therefore 24 square root coming 4.898. That is approximately, this is 4.90 approximately, because it is 8 given, more than 5, 89 90, 4.90. This is the answer of number 3. Let us go one more question. Question number 7 I am doing, that is giving 0.7 square root. 0.7, you have to make the pair like this, 7 0 0 0, 3 pair, at least up to 0.3 pair. Question given 0.7 square root. 0.7 square root you have to find out by long division method. You have to make the pair like this. The first you have to write 0 point here, because starting point is 0 point. 70 means 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64. Now it is coming 6. The first, another pair will come down. 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16. How much you have to put here? You have to put here 3, because if I put 4 here, 16 for 60 more, it will come. Now 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 9, 16 3 is 48. 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 8 1, 5 minus 4 that is 1. Another pair will come down. 163 plus 3, that is coming 164. 164, I have to put here 6. Just to see, 1646, 1646, 1646 into 6. Into 6, how much coming? Just to check. It is coming 9876. After subtract 10 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 0 left here. 10 minus 8, 2. And here 0 left, 10 minus 9, 1. This is the remainder. Therefore, square root of 0.7 root over is coming 0.836. And this is the answer. Initial question number 7 also completed. Try to complete the remaining part of the exercise in this method. One more question I am doing. Just see. Question number 11 I am doing. Question number 11. Question number 11 given 17.11 11 square root. Right here 17.11, make the pair another 0, at least 3 pair up to point. 17 1 pair, 4 4 16. 17 minus 16 1 coming. Now point will come here, another pair will come down, 1 1. Now 4 plus 4, that is coming 8. Now you have to put here 1. It is coming 81. Now subtract 1 minus 1 coming how much? Just take here. 1 minus 1 0, 11 minus 8 3. Next pair will come down, that is 00. 81 plus 1, that is 82. You have to select which number will go. Just see. You have to put here 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 2 is 6. And 3 8 is 24. How much coming? 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 6 3. 9 minus 4 5. Okay. Another pair will come down. Just see. 823 plus 3, that means 826. You have to put here, just to see how much you have to put. 6. Now multiply 8 to 6 into 6. If you multiply 8 to 6 into 6, it is coming 49596. Now subtract 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 9 0. This is 10 minus 5 5 to 12 minus 9 3. This is the remainder. So what is the square root of 17? Therefore 17.11 square root coming 4.136. That means approximately it is coming 4.14 after 2 places of decimal. And this is the number, answer number 11. Okay, number 11 completed. Thank you for today class. Next day I'll do more sums.